Hello everyone.
My name is Franco.
My name is Faraz.
Welcome to Securovix Podcast, where we help you to grow. Today, we are going to do something interesting. We're going to present you how we provide our solutions to our clients. So stay tuned.
Yo.
So guys, the people who don't know us, we are a creative tech studio. We are Securovix, and we provide design development, AI automation, cybersecurity, and digital marketing solutions for businesses. Today, it's a bit exciting because we'll present you how we work with clients and how we deliver our products. So now we are going to show you how we transform ideas into reality.
So Franco,
Yes.
so let's start with the design. What do you think of the design? Why it's important?
So design is the most basic part for any businesses. Like, it starts, if we don't have a design, how people gonna know us? And you can always see, even if you go in the grocery store or anything, if you find a good design product, you will take that, not the average ones. So design is the most important part for any businesses, that how you want to present your product to a customer. So it starts with a logo design.
Yeah.
Then you need to do the branding, and then it comes when you are started building the infrastructure, you will need a UI UX design. Rather than that, if you are planning for just one single product and you want to launch it, you need to do a proper branding for that. Otherwise, people will think that it's not good enough, or that's how people think, right?
Yeah, mentality, like the psychology.
Or
What
the
people
people.
think, right? What the people think it's good, it's bad.
So, in my point of view, we need to start with the logo, then do the branding, then do the UI UX design, and if you have like a particular product that you want to focus on, do a separate branding for that. That's what our suggestion is for the
Yeah.
design. So for us, tell me, what do you think that the core development or the development for any businesses, how it is important, and how we deliver this solution to people?
People. So it's like when you start for development, right? So just see, like without any development, we are not this much far in a human
Yeah.
race. Just say, like without Facebook, Facebook made on 90s or like 2000s starting, right? And without Facebook, before Facebook, there was an Oracle, like Orbit. So we connect with each other people, like connected with the world.
Yeah.
Then Facebook come, right? So we know, like, if we can just make an ID over there, password over there, you can talk with each over the world, like not only your neighbor, you can talk with a different country. So that's how like development part works.
Yeah.
It's like when you want to do something, you have to do it, right?
Yes.
And when you do want to do it, like you have to be like start from scratch.
Yes.
And the third thing is software development is like when you're building something, you need to have clear picture where you have to go, how you have to go, and what to do with that thing, whatever that you're building, right? And for that, you have to once you start building it, you need to be start with the with what we can say like a structure and architect of the development part. If the architecture and structure is not properly done, right, obviously then the whole system doesn't work properly. Then if another person is working on that, he will be confused what is going on, how the architecture is work. So yeah, if the client like is confident for these, like we wanted like this, then we have to explain to client like what kind of architect you want, how the idea you want in that. Then we have to contact with each other, like this is the product we are launching it, this is a product for you investing on us, and this is the products like you are making for you, for our client.
Yes.
So for starting this, like it will be like you have to make a very clear things, and you have to do a very secure coding. So nowadays it's very security problems nowadays, right? So, or you can then like just say like any people, like most famous companies are getting hacked, or
Yes.
most famous company having some vulnerability. So some people will come back from the back door and do their jobs,
Yes.
right? Hack their database and whatever the thing. So for that you have to be like secure codings and all. Then if you've done the secure coding, and then like once you like a lot of traffic is coming in your like website or in your app, and it's not comfortable with your code. Okay, if your traffic is coming, like just say you made the code for like a development party or whatever, the apps or web app or mobile app. If you made for 1,000 people, right? You didn't do a for future, didn't understand, like thought there will be like 1 million user come suddenly. You never know in future what will happen, right? You just made for 1,000 users.
And it might can crash.
It might can crash. That's a very bad impression for any businesses, for any clients.
Yeah.
So what we do, like we will provide the future instincts for them. if the few we are continuously developing that, we need to do a CI/CD pipelines. So it will connect it with your back end and front end, so we can just go commit it to the GitHub or whatever the repository you have. Just commit it CI/CD pipeline. Just commit your new update. It will go directly to your production server. Production server will you can automatically launch your automatically website or mobile app. Then it will give you the update signal or you can send the maintenance break so people can see it. So that's how the deployment part work in the whole over the world.
So for us, tell our viewers that what Securovix has built so far.
As so far, we are working on 3 projects. So one is the main project is POS system. It's for small businesses or small restaurant or small grocery shop. So they can take their order. They can pay their system, take a payment from there. They can have a receipt from there. So we are just removing the one thing. We are having people are giving a whole system, a POS system for a whole tap screens and all with the payment system. So we thought why we'll have to give for the whole system. We can build a web application and they can use the same as that.
Yeah.
So they have a lot of tension. People are they have to buy this much, then they have a setup cost, then they are taking this much of cost. So why we will
without any reason, and it's acquiring a space.
It's acquiring a space. It's just you use your tablet, just open on the website, web app, just take your order to sign in as your restaurant and start selling it.
Yes.
It doesn't matter. You don't have to buy the whole system for that. Whole payment
and you
system.
don't even need a machine.
You don't even need a machine. The
To
whole
take the
system
payment.
will take a payment, right?
So you don't need a machine to take a payment. You just use your phone to take the payment.
Phone to take the payment and the receipt will print out.
Yes.
This is one of the projects we are working on, and and second one is restaurant management. This is a very big project. We are still working on it, and that's people can take an order, staff can take order, manager can see a lot of things more than POS system. So that's 2 things we are working on, and one more thing we are working on. There one more project we are working on it. It's called Task Calendar. It's basically a project management software. So people can come as a manage their project. They can invite their team and they can give them the task and they can manage their management. And most of we are in our task managers project management software is it's very simple. You can see different project management software. It's very complicated to understand for a beginner who don't know what task you can say project management. It's very people will come open the new things, right? And people will confuse what to do, what to add, what to do, what is this option, what is that option. And for us it's it's very simple. Just come over there, see the you can add something, you can call the people, you can use thing, and very simple, no confusion. Even the beginner can come and beginner can understand what's going on the project management software. That's how it is.
So for us, now let's tell people why AI is important and why AI automation is necessary for businesses.
As for AI, artificial intelligence, it's people nowadays AI can say AI can do anything. You can say you can just sitting in your laptop, you're sitting in your chair, just command to AI. Agent will work in the back end and will work for you everything. They can read your email, they can read your everything, and they can reply it. You don't have to interact with the human interactions. And moreover, AI is you can see right now a Cloudy or ChatGPT, whatever. That's all AI agents kind of. You can ask them and they will give you a text. People are not going to lawyers. People are not going to any consultation. People are just using AI ChatGPT and Cloud or whatever the AI tools are there in the market. Why they're just typing, I need a booking system, I need a room in this place. Just type it 2-3 lines. And AI will give you the whole ratings, AI will give you the everything. So it's making people's life very easy. Yeah. And AI is detecting everything. Well, everywhere human can't go, everywhere human can't see anything, right? So AI will see it, AI will learn it, AI will implement it. Then again it will learn it, AI will implement it. So AI is helping in a lot of sector. You can say a lot of sector, not only in businesses, IT industries, consultant industries, and you can say car manufacturing industries. Nowadays AI, Tesla, you can say it's automated car. Yeah. So that's AI thing. It's connected with the satellite and is giving the AI automation, learning from the whole driving lessons, then starting by itself, right?
Yeah.
And nowadays AI are auto taxis coming nowadays. So that's also an AI. So AI is helping you to move forward in your life or move more faster to world.
And that's how businesses
can invest on this, and business can grow with the AI easily. Right? AI can track your revenues too.
Yes.
How you performing your company, what you have to change in your company, what thing you have to do. So this thing help the company to grow faster.
Yeah.
Before human interaction, human minds are different. Human minds are okay, very good. No one can destroy the human minds. But still, when you're having you want to do a fast revenue, you want to do a fast thing, AI is there. So you can use the AI over there.
So let's tell our viewers how we are developing our company or Securovix with the help of AI.
As you can say, we are helping, we are using AI automation.
Yes.
So AI automation is like we building email marketing. So it will scratch the data from all over the, you can say Google, you can say LinkedIn, anywhere the open sources are there. So it will grab the data from the scrap data. Then it will go to you can say a filter. Filter will be like a HTTP request. It will verify that data number and the email address is verified or not. It's like varied or not, like it's correct or not, kind of is correct or not. So once it's corrected, then it will try to send to another sheet that is corrected data. Once it's corrected data, it will go to that. Then it will start searching over their companies. So how company work, how company culture is, how what company do and what company don't do, right? Then it will find loopholes over there, like the flaws kind of. It will find the flaws over there. Then it will see over company services, what we provide, like automation, digital marketing, cybersecurity, whatever service we provide. It will go through that, and then it will there's a templates, 4-5 templates over there. It will go through the templates too. Then it will mix the templates with what services we can provide to them. Then it will send to them the people who have these needs, who have these flaws. Like just say this company don't have a proper design. Okay, this website or this company don't have a proper design. It will search about that company. My AI will search about that company. Then it will go go to the email templates. It will write the email templates by itself. Okay, then it will send to that company email address or it will directly send to email address or the LinkedIn directly. It will open the LinkedIn and it will directly send the message, normal message to a CEO or CTO people. Yeah. Then there's one more cold calling way. We just remove the cold calling. Like people are nowadays just take a call center. You can say call center. If you call, call center is calling to you, you have this much of offer in your card, this much offer, you can say in your mobile, SIM card. So for that, nowadays people can reduce the call center by people's or whatever, the lots of things. If your company need a cold calling system, we are using cold calling system. So people can we can call directly to any member. It will scratch the data. Same thing. It will scrap the data from the LinkedIn, from the Google. Then it will go verify the data. First verify. Then it will once the number is verified, then it will call to them. You can trigger the call or you can manually trigger it. So both options you have. So you can trigger manual morning 9 o'clock. You can say UK time. So it will trigger that time. It will call almost. You can just set the limit. 50 people or 20 people you want to call per day. So if you say 10 people per day, you want to call some people, right, from the company. So it will call it. It will directly call to that person. It will start talking in an AI voice. You have to give some AI prompt. You can use any AI prompt in that. And once that's done, then you have to connect with the anytime. Once the engine is done properly, then that start the AI cold calling will start working from next day from morning 9 o'clock. Then it will call to them. Then it will convince them that this is this service we have. If you need something, if you have a flaw, first it will search about that company. Before that, it will not call. First, it will search about that company. Then it will call to them that you have these flaws. We provide this of services. Then it will try to convince to person. It will play with the psychology of the person. Then it will in the end it will say a person will be yes, I want to book a call. Then it will in the end AI will talk with them. They will say search over calendar. After searching your calendar, it will say this schedule is free for us. If the client say I am free in this and this time, tomorrow I am free at 12 o'clock, then AI what will do? AI will go to my calendar. Then AI will talk directly. The person AI will talk to them that this is this time is not free. This is the best time for you. Is this the best time for you? We can call you this time. We can have a consultant this time. If the client say this time is fine, then AI will automatically book a call that will directly send to them Google Meet link or a Teams Meet link, whatever the Meet link they send, and will directly update in our calendar. So this is like we are removing a 2-3% job directly. It's a very easy, and we can say like once it's an outbound thing. When to do an inbound, so most of the restaurant do an inbound thing. Like we can use it as a restaurant example. So just to say you want to book a 5-star, like you're going for like good restaurant or big restaurants. So you want to book a call, like you're calling and you want to book a table over there. So yeah, some of the restaurants website they can book it, yeah, but still like you have to go through it, you have to write it, then you have to send it. This is very time consuming thing. So what people do, they call it directly. So sometimes the all waiter or all staff are busy to work it, and then no one is to pick up the call to take up booking table, right? So what they do, inbound calling will be like once they call it, inbound AI will detect it. It will ask what like time, like how, what time, and it will ask like what dishes or what you want it. One main course you want for it, you for a starter or for that on all the table, your timing and your dates, everything will be detected, like stored in a database. Then it will go to directly your calendar. In your calendar, then calendar it will show you that it's booked, and it was saved in your data sheets too. That this time this call happened, and this time like the customer will come and it will eat this menu kind of thing. This is help for the restaurants things. So this is how AI automation works. So Franco,
Yes.
let's tell our viewers why digital marketing so important for a business. How we can provide like marketing strategies and anything for businesses.
Well, basically, first I want to say nobody likes marketing. Nobody
That's
wants
true.
any calls. Nobody, even me, I don't want any marketing calls or any sales calls. But that's necessary. That's how it works. Nobody likes it, but then also people, like when they see something good, they buy it, right?
Yeah.
And when they see, that's the thing is marketing. Because if you don't reach out to people, if you don't reach out with your product to people, no one else gonna know about it, and how you gonna sell it. So that's the only way. Even people don't like.
People don't like the marketing thing, calling call and
yeah.
all. Yeah,
So-
that's true.
The thing is, that's why marketing is important. Digital marketing, in digital marketing, there are many sectors. Like one is social media marketing, one is email marketing, one is cold calling, one is PPC marketing, affiliate marketing. There are many other marketings in the digital marketing sector. So basically, what we work with is like the social media marketing, the lead generation, cold calling, and email marketing.
Email marketing. Yeah.
That's what we do, and that's what exactly the businesses needs nowadays. So if you are a service-based business, you need, suppose, email marketing, then you need cold calling, you need to keep a footprint in the social media, so you need a little bit of social media marketing as a service-based business. But if you are a product-based business, there is no point of like doing email marketing. Yes, email marketing a little bit, but not that much. But if it is a product-based business, basically I would suggest you must go for the like social media
Social media.
to reach B2C clients.
Okay.
For B2B, you need to reach out via email marketing, cold calling, or you need to go to the business peoples by yourself.
By yourself.
That's how the digital marketing works, and how we help. Your second question was that.
Yeah.
So first we find out the problems of our clients, what exactly they are facing, and how we can provide the solutions. We create a strategy for that. We write down the strategy and show it to our clients. If our clients finds out that we can be valuable, we can be valuable to them. If they think our services can be valuable to them, they will take our service. If they don't think that we are not good enough, then we lose the client,
You
right?
the client, yeah. That's
So
how it works.
that's how we onboard clients.
Yeah.
So this is our like a client's journey to digital excellence. So once we get any clients, we discover the problems and we create a strategic plan. And after that, once the strategic plan is done and client is like, or the customer is like very
Onboarded.
happy and onboarded, then we do the design and the architecture of the system. Once the system is done, once the architecture is done, now we know what to do, right?
Yeah.
And after that, we start developing the project or whatever the architecture we've created. So it can be a website, it can be an app, it can be a web app, whatever it is.
But-
Once it's done, then we deploy it.
Yeah. Before deploying, we do a testing.
Yes, that's important.
That's important for anything.
And after that, once the deployment is done, MVP is ready, and after that, what we do is we help with the business to grow. We help with the digital marketing. We help continuous support, and like you can say 24/7 support. Anyone can get it from us.
Yeah. And we do maintenance. So this is how we work with holistic innovation. We don't just code integrated with design, development in AI, and then data-driven execution, leveraging multiple AI tools, ROI focused, digital growth, camping backed by data. And then after that, we do security by design. This enterprise grade security is an add-on build foundation of every project, and then our proven skill result.
So these are the experts. You already know us, so there's nothing more to explain about us. You already know. We started Securovix, and so far we are here. So let's go to the next slide. Why choose us? My question is, why not you choose us? We always try to be as honest as possible to the businesses and to our clients. We have our end-to-end capabilities. We have our cutting-edge products that will be. Some of them are already launched, and some of them will be coming soon. We have proven revenue generations to other businesses, and we have global trust. We have already worked with many many industries in different countries.
Yeah.
So why not choose us?
And this is one of our clients that we work for it, Tom. This is what he said about Securovix. And if you want to have any product you want to launch, if you want to do any AI automation in your businesses, feel free to contact us, send us a mail, and go to our website for a booking consultant. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned with Securovix. We'll be coming up with next episode very soon. So stay tuned and like, follow, and share, and subscribe.